special with Marta and Peter.
Welcome to the Christmas show!
Hey Martha, do you know what they're cooking for the Christmas dinner?
Not yet, but they know who can help.
That's right, coming next! Our cooking special with Paul and Kate!
Hello everyone! Today we are making a tasty Christmas treat.
Real cookies!
We need cookies, chocolate, pretzels, and red candy.
Don't forget the ice!
Put the chocolate on the cookies.
Stick the pretzels, they look like antlers.
Here are the eyes. And red candy is for the nose.
And that's it, a simple and beautiful Christmas dessert. Wow, definitely make these cookies at home.
And now it's time for our Christmas quiz! Please welcome our contestants, Una and Simona. Hi everyone, I'm Una and I'm Art. If I win, I want to buy a paintbrush. Hello, I'm Simona and I'm a musician. If I win, I want to buy a new microphone. Great, let's start. Question 1. How many reindeer Santa got? 9. Dasher, Dancer, Prancer, Comet, Cupid, Donner, Blizzard, and Rudolph. Oh, correct. Question 2. Where does Grinch live? Everyone who will likes Christmas a lot, but Grinch did not. Excellent. And now the last question. What is Santa's favorite food? Cookies. That's right. I think we must share the prize. That's okay. I can buy a paintbrush. And I can buy my microphone. Great, and now back to Peter and Mark. Well, that's all we have for tonight.